ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
असंदिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तुभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन्
अयुन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔज्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लण्
ञमङणम्
ञमङणनम्
जभै
जभै
घढदश्
घढदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपछठथ छटतौ
खपछठथ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपोपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
एतैतोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठोष्टम्
ओदयोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
What samasa? Oh, sorry. What sandhi? Kanta plus oshtam. What sandhi? Kanta plus oshtam. think I taught you this. Yes or no?
Yes, Chief. You taught.
What is Sandhi? Kanta plus Oshtam. Optionally, it can become Kanta plus Oshtam is equal to Kantaushtam or
Kantaushtam.
Kantaushtam.
Kantoshtam. Otvoshtayoga. I think I taught you, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Yes, we have seen this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Otvoshtayoga. When Oshta is the Uttarapada, then what happens? When Oshta or Oth is another pada. Sutra is Otvoshtayoga. When Oshta or Oth, if it is a Uttarapadam, then what will happen? Vriddhi becomes optional. So therefore, Ottoshtayoho. So that is Pararupam. It's not Guna really, it's Pararupam, Pararupa Sandhi, and the Pararupa Sandhi. In a Samasa context, it is a Samasa. It's a Samasa or not? It's a Samasa. It's a compound. The two words are there, Kanta plus Oshtam. Kantascha, Kanta is one word and Oshta is another word. So it is compounded. Two words are compounded. So in a Samasa, when two words are there and Uttarapadam, the following word is Oshtapada, then what did we say? If you remember, that Pararupa Sandhi will be optional. So Kanta plus Oshta, A plus O, Pararupam, Para is O. O will be the replacement in the place of both. So Kantoshtam, optionally. Otherwise, what will happen if you don't do Pararupa? A plus O will become
Au.
So you will have Kantaushtam.
Yes.
Kantaushtam or Dantaushtam. We have seen in Pararupa Sandhi. Please have to go through the Sandhi chart again and again. Frequently you have to see so that you remember. Otherwise, that's why I'm joining Sandhi. You can join the Sandhi and recite this. This is in the beginning, we don't know Sandhi, therefore Kanta Oshta. But now you know. Therefore, do Pararupa Sandhi. Odho Toho Kantoshtam.
Odautoho Kantaushtam.
This Sandhi chart I send you the table. Take a printout, keep it with you by the side, the class. You all have the printout of that. If not, take it out. Take the print and keep it. That summary of all the rules are there. It's a Sandhi. Summary of the entire Sandhi topic. Whatever Sandhis are there, which is all covered. And it is in the order also. Tripadi order or all, it is there. Vakarasya Dantoshtam.
Vakarasya Dantoshtam.
Jikhva Muli Yasya Jikhva Mulyam.
Jikhvamulyasya jikhvamulyam.
Nasikanuswarasya.
Nasika-anuswarasya.
Nasikanuswarasya. You have to read Nasikanuswarasya. With Sandhi. Okay. Let us chant this. Samhitaikapade nitya.
Ekapade nitya.
Nitya dhatu upasargayoh.
Nityadhadupasargayoho.
Nitya samase vakyetu.
Nitya samase vakyetu.
Sa vivaksham apekshate.
Sa viveksham apekshate.
So what was the Sandhi we did in the last class? What Sandhi?
Kutum, Datum,
Kutum is Kutum, Datum, Ghatum, etc. Right? Where it is, the Sutra, Chohu, Kuhu, where it is, it means it is in Tripadi Asapada Saptadhyay. Where it
Tripadi.
is Tripadi.
Tripadi.
What is Tripadi?
Second,
The
third, and
last.
fourth part of the
Second section, third section, and
fourth.
fourth section. Only 4 sections are there each chapter. The 3 sections of the last chapter, that is the 8th chapter of the Ashtadhyayi, is called Tripadi. Trayanam Padanam Samaharaha Tripadi. Tripadi is all itself, the word itself is a compound. Samahara, Dvanda Samasa. Trayanam Padanam Samaharaha, the collection of 3 sections. Pada means section. Quarter. The collection of 3 quarters is called Tripadi. Of which chapter we are talking about? 8th chapter.
8th.
So 3 are called Tripadi. The left out is 7 and quarter is Sapada Saptadhyaya. Sapada is
Adhyay.
Sapada. Padena Saha. Padena Saha Sapada. 1 quarter. And the 7 chapters. The first 7 chapters and the first pada of the 8th chapter, they are called Sapada Saptadhyaya. All the rules, general rules, like Sandhi, Angakarya, all those rules. General rules as well as specific rules. So specific to certain context. All these are covered in Sapada Saptadhyaya. After the application of these rules, only one can enter into Tripadi. So when you enter into Tripadi, you cannot look back. You have to apply the sutras in sequence. Whatever applicable, the next, you have to keep on applying till the, you cannot stop in between also. Till the 4th, the last section, last sutra of the 4th section. Till the end, you have to apply. That is why the 3 sections are called Asiddha Adhikara Sutrani. Asiddha Adhikara. Purvatra Asiddham. That is Purvatra Asiddham. The result of the succeeding sutra. I'm just taking it another way. Result of the succeeding sutra not visible to the previous sutra. The result of the succeeding sutra not visible to the preceding sutra. In other words, the sutras have to be applied in order, in consecutive order. That is what Tripadi is. Therefore, only you will find the numbers in ascending order. Already we are familiar with that. Like Prutva in Padanta Sakara, then becoming Visarga, Karavasani, Visarjaniyaha, etc. Okay. So now we are seeing Kutva. Now we are seeing Visarga Sandhi is over. Now we are seeing Vyanjana Sandhi. Sandhi related to the consonants. There we are seen in the last class. Kutvam, Datvam, Gatvam. From here onwards, you can remember this Kutvam, Datvam, Gatvam. All these will happen when followed by a Jal letter. Jal letter means Jal is a Pratyahara, referring to 4th letter of all the classes, 4, 3, 2, 1 plus
Sibilance.
Ushma Varnaha. So that is what Jal. When followed by a Jal letter or at the end of the Padam, certain changes will happen. What change? That is what is we have seen in the last class. That's what we saw. That is Chavarga at the end of the Chavarga. Chavarga will be replaced by Kavarga. Chavarga at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal. That is called Kutvam. Why it is called Kutvam? Because Adesha is Kavarga. Therefore, it is called Kutva Sandhi. Very important rules from here onwards. You will see the application. You cannot bypass this. You have to apply this. Sequentially, all these rules have to be applied to get the Ishta Rupam. This also is Sandhi. This also, we can take it as, can consider it as Sandhi. That is why it's included here. That is why it is included here. Sandhi. This is 8 to 30. This is Kutvam. Then Dattvam. Dattvam happens. Kutvam, when we say Kutvam happens for Chavarga. Kutvam is Kavarga Adesha in the place of Chavarga. Dattvam is Dattva Adesha in the place of that letter, only one letter, Sakara. That Ushpavarna, Hakara, will have Dattva Adesha. Again, the conditions, the same condition. What? When followed by Jal or Padanta at the end of the Padam, then this will happen. So that is common, that you have to note. So that condition, that nimitta is common, followed by a Jal or at the end of the Padam. Hakara. Hakara you will find in many dhatus. Mukh dhatu, Druk dhatu, Dik dhatu, Dak dhatu, Shnik, Shnuk, so many dhatus, or even the Shabda also. Even Shabda also is there. You will see even Shabda later. Upanah Shabda, that also you will see. Again, this is these rules are very helpful in knowing the Shabda also. In the derivation of Shabda, these are very useful. I will give one example. One example I will give, and some examples you can try. Some abhyas also I will give. You can try. So this Chogo Kugo we saw, Chavarga replaced by Kavarga, right?
Yes,
Chogo Kugo. There, one example I will give. One Shabda I will do. You can see. I'll just show you that. Let us take this. I think I taught you this, right? Jalamut Shabda.
We did Guruji last week.
Yeah, we
Oh, all the forms?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Very good.
And we did Payamuch also.
Oh, I gave homework, no?
Yes, Guruji.
Oh, very good.
Payamuch.
Yes, Payamuch. And then it means you must know what is Sarvanamasthana, etc. Right?
Yes.
I explained that also.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay, very good. Nice. So this is Su Aujas Ammod. These pratyas, 5 pratyas of Pullinga and Strilinga, it is called Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. So other than this pratyaya is starting from 2-3 onwards up to 7-3. 8-1, 8-2, 8-3 is same as 1-1, 1-2, 1-3. So don't consider that. It's also Sarvanamasthana only. So other than this Sarvanamasthana pratyaya, they are called Asarvanamasthana pratyaya. Right? So when Asarvanamasthana pratyaya follows, then Anga will get some name. What name? When Asarvanamasthana pratyaya for Pullinga and Strilinga, the pratyas like Shas, Ta, Bhyam, Vis, starting from 2-3 up to 7-3. When this pratyaya follows, the Anga, that is the Pratipadikam, gets a Sanya.
Padasanya.
Not Padasanya. You have to ask the Anga when it is followed by here, when it is followed by the letter which is other than Yakara or Ach vowel, then only it will get Padasanya. If the pratyaya beginning with a vowel or Yakara, then the Anga will get the Sanya Basanya. Right? Basanya, you know, I taught you?
No, Guruji.
No.
No, I not taught you. Oh, okay. So here the Shas is there. The content of Shas is us only.
Us.
The content of Shas is us. Okay, anyway, Jalamuch I have to teach you again. Anyway, because I have not taught you Bha, therefore let me do that. Su Aujas. Okay, I'm doing it from the beginning. And out. These 5 pratyas we can refer to by the pratyahara Sut. Can I say Sut?
Yes, Guruji.
starting
Yes.
from su up to takara. That is su out, just out. Sut is called Sarvanamasthana. Sarvanamasthana, don't think it is some sthanam and all. It is a name of the pratyaya. For Pullinga and Strilinga. For Pullinga and Strilinga, the Sut pratyayas are called Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. Here I have written, you can see. For Pullinga and Strilinga, Su Aujas 111213 and 2122, that is and out. They are called Sarvanamasthana pratyayas. Sarvanamasthana pratyayaha. And Sambodhana also Su Aujas only. Therefore, that also has a name Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. So I don't have to specify separately. 8-1 is same as 1-1. Yes or no? Yes.
Good.
Therefore,
Yes.
I don't have to say 8-1, 8-2, 8-3 every time. I will not say that. I will just say Sut only. Even Sutram also says Sudanapum Sakasya. So these 5 pratyas have the sanya Sarvanamasthana pratyayaha. This is for Pullinga and Strilinga. For Napumsakalinga, it is 1-3 and 2-3 and 2-3. 1-3 and 2-3 enjoys sanya Sarvanamasthana. Jas and Shas. Su Aujas, that Jas, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Out Shas, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. And because Jas is there in Sambodhana, therefore that is also included. That also I will not mention separately. You have to understand because it is same as 1-3. So for Napumsakalinga, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam and Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, that Pratyaya, Shas and Jas called Sarvanamasthana Pratyayaha. Understand? This is the name of the Pratyaya, Namakaranam. Pratyayas are given a Namakaranam, right? Na Sarvanamasthana means what? That which is not Sarvanamasthana is called
Sir.
Asarvanamasthana. Simple, negation. Na Dharma, Adharma, right? Similarly, that is the rest of the Pratyayas. Those pratyayas which are not Sarvanamasthana, they are Asarvanamasthana. Now, you see the table. What is Asarvanamasthana pratyaya?
Yeah. Yes.
Why only Bhyambis? Why not Shas? Shas is Sarvanamasthana. What are Asarvanamasthana pratyayas?
For Napumsakalinga, it's
Forget about Napumsakalinga. One Pullinga and Strilinga only now. For Pullinga and Strilinga, what are Asarvanamasthana pratyaya?
Sas. Bhyambas. K. Bhyambas.
Yes. Other than Sarvanamasthana, what are
Yes.
Sarvanamasthana pratyaya?
Su Aujas out.
Other than that, except this 5, simple.
Bhyambas. Tenge Bhyambas.
Yes. Starting from Shas.
Yes.
Other than this, Sut is Sarvanamasthana. When Sut is excluded, the rest are Asarvanamasthana pratyaya. Therefore, Shas, Ta, Bhyam, Bis, Nge, Bhyam, Bes, Ngasi, Bhyam, Bes, Nas, Os, Am, Ngi, Os, Sut. All these have the sanya. What sanya?
Sir.
Sarvanamasthana, right? Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
This is for Pullinga and Strilinga. Now, for Napumsakalinga, see, I have marked in different colors. Sarvanamasthana pratyayas are marked in that rose color. Jas and Shas are this Sarvanamasthana pratyaya for Napumsakalinga. Now, what are Asarvanamasthana pratyayas? Which are Asarvanamasthana pratyayas for Napumsakalinga?
O, au,
Su, au,
Out, Abhyambis, all
Bhyambas. Yes.
everything.
everything except 8-3. 8-3 again it is just so
Yes.
that you have to. These are Asarvanamasthana pratyayas. Is it clear? What is Sarvanamasthana? What is Asarvanamasthana?
Yes. Good.
Yes.
It's very important. Already we have seen this. I taught you long back, I think in the context. Marut Shabda and all, declension, once upon a time I taught you. Ekada. So you have to refer. So that is what I have written here. The pratyayas which are not Sarvanamasthana is called Asarvanamasthana. To know what Asarvanamastana, we have to know what is Sarvanamastana. Therefore, only Sarvanamastanam I introduced in the beginning. The five pratyas, the first five pratyas are Sarvanamastanam for Pullinga and Srilinga. And for Napumsakalinga, it is 1, 3 and 2, 3 are Sarvanamastana pratyaya. Other than these pratyas, they are Asarvanamastana pratyas, right? Okay. Now, when the Asarvanamastana pratyas, now you see, when Asarvanamastana pratyas follows, and the Asarvanamastana pratyaya beginning with the Ach letter, when Ajadi, what is Ajadi? Ajadi is
Beginning
Ach.
Starting with Ach.
Beginning with Ach. Not only Ach, if it is Yakara also. Anyway, in the list of these supratyas, you don't see Yakara, but Yakara you will see in some other context. Don't worry about it now. When the context comes, I will tell you. Now you can take for our purpose here, you can take Ajadi pratyas, no problem. See, this is the pratyaya, right? Is there any pratyaya beginning with the Yakara here? No.
No good.
So that's why I have not given here in the here I have not given, but here you can include Yakara also should be included. Anyway, we are not saying that. That's why not included. Ajadi Sarvanamastana pratyaya follows. That is, when the Asarvanamastana pratyaya beginning with a vowel follows. If you are writing, you can write this also. When Ajadi as well as Yakaradi. Okay. This document is a different document. Therefore, here it is not there. But for your knowledge, you write it. I will not write here because this is a different document. When Ajadi Sarvanamastana pratyaya or Yakaradi Ajadi Asarvanamastana pratyaya or Yakaradi Asarvanamastana pratyaya follows, the Anga will get the name, Anga will get the Sanya Bha. Bha is a Sanya, just a name. Panini Maharshi calls it Anga. Anga, that is a Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam as Bha. Like for example, if you take Shas, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Rama plus Shas. Rama is called?
Anga.
Anga is called?
Pratipadika.
Pratipadika.
That is called?
Pa.
Ba. That is what it is. When Ajadi Asarvanamastana pratyaya follows, the Anga gets the Sanya Ba. The Anga, which is a Pratipadikam, as a Bha Sanya. So Shas, which is Asarvanamastana pratyaya, follows the Pratipadikam. That Pratipadikam enjoys the Sanya Bha. What is the purpose of Bha Sanya? Again, it is out of scope, don't worry. Not required now. Similarly, 3-1. 3-1, the content of the pratyaya is A. Right? It is A. This is also Ajadi. Therefore, Anga will get the Sanya.
Ba.
Ba Sanya. And similarly, Nye is also the content is
A.
A. Therefore, Anga will get the Sanya. Ba. Therefore, 5-1, 6-1, 7-1. All these are Ajadi pratyas. Not only that, here also O's, as well as 7-2, 6-2, 7-2, 6-3. All these are the pratyas beginning with Ach. Therefore, Anga will get the Sanya. What Sanya? Ba Sanya. What about the others? Bhyam, Bis. These are Haladi. Beginning with a Hal. Beginning with Al. Therefore, Anga will get the Sanya Padam. Technically, will get the Sanya Padam. This will not get the Sanya. Anga will get the Sanya Padam. Will not get Ba. Ba Sanya, the Anga will enjoy only when Ajadi Asarvanamastana pratyaya follows. Whereas Bhyam, Bis, etc., they are Haladi Asarvanamastana pratyaya. There it will not enjoy Bha Sanya. It will enjoy Padasanya. Before adding the pratyaya itself, supratyaya itself, it will enjoy Padasanya. That is the definition. Another definition of Padam. Padam we know. What is Padam? Suttingantam Padam, right? Subanta is a Padam. Tinganta is a Padam. That which ends with Supratyaya. These are the Supratyayas. That's called Padam, like Nama Padam, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, etc. All these are Padam. Similarly, Tinganta is a Padam. Tingantam, the word ending with Ting Pratyaya. Patati, Patataha, Patanti. They are Padam. Not only they are Padam, here we say this is also Padam. What? That is, before this Asarvanamastana Pratyaya, Haladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya, it is 3 2 3 3 4 2 4 3 5 2 5 3 and 7 3. These are the Haladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. These are not Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, and these Pratyayas beginning with a Hal. Therefore, the Anga will get the Sanya Padam. This is a technical definition, another technical definition of Padam. So, Padasanya is ordained for the Pratipadikam itself before the addition. Therefore, all the Sandhi related rules, the Pada related Sandhi rules will apply, like Chogo, Kugu, etc. will apply. Now you see. So here I have written, you can see, Anga get the Sanya Bha when Ajadi Asaranamasthana Pratyaya follows. Since only Suvanta we are dealing with, therefore I am giving Ajadi. But really speaking, the definition of Bha is Echibam, that is in Yakaradi or Ajadi Asaranamasthana Pratyaya follows, the Anga get the Sanya Bha. Since we are dealing only with Subantam, in Subantam there is no Yakaradi Pratyaya, therefore Yakaradi I have not written here. That you have to understand. In the context we will see, but you can write for your understanding. Yakaradi Asaranamasthana or Ajadi Asaranamasthana. Yakaradi means Yakara is the first letter of the Pratyaya. That's called Yakaradi. Now, what are the Ajadi Asaranamasthana Pratyaya of these Supratyayas? These are the 3 2 3 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 6 2 6 3 7 1. The content of the pratyaya written within bracket. Shas. Shakara is the letter, content is as. Ta is the pratyaya 3-1, content is a. Nye is the 4-4-1, content is a. Nakara is the letter. Gasi also. Nakara is the letter. And E is the letter. Content is as. Similarly, 6-1 also. The content is as. Now you see all the pratyayas beginning with what letter? What letter? Allah.
No. Asarvan.
All the pratyayas beginning with what letter? You have to remember the context and answer. All the pratyayas beginning with what letter?
Ach.
Ach. That's what we are talking about. Ajadi Asaranamasthana pratyaya. You should not forget the context.
Yes.
All these are Ajadi and they are Asaranamasthana pratyaya. Os also beginning with Ach. Beginning with Ach. And Ni. What is the content of Ni? Ni is E.
E. Also Ach.
Ach. Again Os 7-2. So these pratyayas are Ajadi Asaranamasthana pratyayas, right? The remaining pratyayas, Vyam, Bis, etc., they are Haladi Asaranamasthana pratyaya. Therefore, simple. So you can divide the pratyayas. What pratyayas? Asarvanamasthana pratyayas, excepting the Sarvanamasthana pratyaya, into two. Ajadi Asarvanamasthana pratyaya, Haladi Asarvanamasthana pratyaya. When Ajadi Asarvanamasthana pratyaya follows, Anga gets the Sanya Bha. Anga will enjoy the Sanya Bha. Just to know Bha, that much is enough. We are not going to do anything with Bha now. Later we will see, when we see Bha related rules. What we are interested in the Padasanya, which is attributed to the Pratipadikam when followed by Haladi Asarvanamasthana pratyaya. That is Vyam, Bis, Vyam, that 3-2-3-3, 4-2-4-3, 5-2-5-3, and 7-3. These 7 pratyayas. When any of the 7 pratyayas follows the Pratipadikam, the Pratipadikam enjoys Padasanya. It cannot enjoy Bhasanya. Only one Sanya allowed. Only Padasanya it will enjoy. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
So what is Sarvanamasthana should be known. From that, we understand what is Asarvanamasthana. From that, we say when Ajadi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Anga gets a Sanya Bha. When Aladi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Anga gets a Sanya Padam.
Padam.
Right?
Hmm.
Now,
Guruji,
yes,
Guruji, one doubt. Bis is there, Guruji. Bis, you have written is
that's
akara.
okay. That's okay. That is for some other reason I have written. It is this only.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now this is I have written for okay, Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, fine. Now let us see this. Jalamuch if you take, Jalamuch plus Su. Su, you know what is Pratyaya Su is? I told you, the content is only Sakara, therefore it is called.
Apruktam.
Very good. Apruktam. Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya. One lettered Pratyaya is called Apruktam, and Aprukta Ekal Pratyaya following a Halanta Pradipadikam will become
Lopa.
Lopaha. So you will have Jalamuch. What is Jalamuch now? This
Padam.
Jalamuch is different from this Jalamuch.
Padam.
This is a Padam. This Jalamuch plus
Pratipad-
Su, that is Pratipadikam. Now Pratipadikam by the addition of this Pratyaya is converted into Padam.
Padam.
Even though you don't see the Pratyaya here, but what happened to the Pratyaya? Pratyaya has become Lopa, but Pratyaya Lope, Pratyaya Lakshanam. When the Pratyaya Lopa also happens, even when the Pratyaya Lopa happens, whatever Pratyaya is supposed to do, it will do and go. It will give ordain, it will give Padasanya and then only it will go. Not simply it will go away. Okay. Right? You don't see that Pratyaya here, but it has done the job of converting the Pratipadikam into a Padam. Therefore, Jalamuch is what Padam. Now, Padanta, what letter is there?
Chakara.
Therefore, Kuttam can be applied.
Yes.
Yes.
That's what we said. Choho Kuhu. Choho Chavargasya Stane. What Chavarga? Padante Vartamanasya Atava Jalipare.
Followed by Jal.
Jalipare.
Here Padanta, that is nothing follows. Therefore, Jalipar. Therefore, Padante Vartamanasya Chakarasya Stane Kavargaha. Corresponding letter. Chakara is the first letter of the Chavarga that has to be replaced by the first letter of the Kavarga, which is Chakara. Therefore, you have Jalamukh. Right? This is Chokakuhu. What number is that?
8230.
8 to 30.
8 to
8 to
30.
30.
30.
You have to follow the sequence. After 8 to 30, what is applicable? Jashwa Sandhi you have to do. Why? 8 to 39. That is 8 to 30, 8 to 39. Why we have to follow the krama, the order? Because
Tripadi.
Tripadi.
Tripadi. All these things you have to remember. When we say 8 to, then order. 8 to 30, Shokokuku. This order you have to remember. When you do repeated practice, the order will come naturally. You may struggle in the beginning, but it will come. That's why I'm repeating also. 8 to 36. After that, you see, after that, if you know any rules, if I have taught you any rules which can be applied, that has to be applied. But I have not taught you anything, so don't worry. After Chokoku, 8 to 30, apply Jashwa Sandhi. So that will be replaced by Gakara. Then Karicha, you know it, right? Chatva Sandhi. What is Chatva Sandhi? Says.
Padanta Jal followed by
Jal.
Kari.
Followed by Kar will be replaced by Char letter. Here it nothing follows. But that is another rule. Va Padantasya. If Jal letter at the end of the Padam, it can be optionally replaced by Char letter.
Char letter.
That's what we saw. Charta Vidhi number 1, Charta Vidhi number 2. Remember?
Yes, Guruji. Chatu.
Jal letter when followed by Kar letter, Jal will be replaced by Char. That is Chartam number 1. We just call Chartam number 1. Why? Because that is Chartam number 2 is which is optional. That is Jal letter at the end, at the Padanta, the Avasana, Vavasanasya. Jal letter at the Avasana can be optionally replaced by Char. Right? That is Charta Vidhi number 2. So here there is no Kar letter following. What follows? Jala Mugg. Nothing follows. Therefore, Charta Vidhi number 2, that is
8 4 56.
That is, you see the order 8 4. After 8 to 39, 8 4 56, you have to apply. By that you get Jalamuk. So Jalamuk or Jalamuk, two forms are there. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Did you try Payamuch like that?
Yes, Guruji, we did.
Payamuch, Payamug or Payamuk, you will have. Okay. Then what happens? Dvitiya Vibhakti, sorry, Pratama Vibhakti Vachanam, Jalamuch plus Au. What is this Au? What Sanya does enjoy this Au for Pullinga? What Sanya this Au?
Sarvanamastana pratyaya.
Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. And Anga will enjoy what Sanya?
Others.
Padasanya. Really, yeah? I purposefully asked this.
No, Guruji. Sorry.
Basani.
Basanya.
Vasagya.
Really?
No,
Basanya.
not that. It is Sarvanamastana.
No?
Pratipadikam only.
Just a Pratipadikam only. Why Basanya? Ajadi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya only Basanya. Haladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya only Padasanya. Here always Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. So Anga will neither enjoy Padasanya or nor Basanya. Not both. So it will be just a Pratipadikam. That's all. Understand? Don't confuse with the Pratyaya Sarvanamastana is because the condition is Asarvanamastana. Don't forget that. Only when the condition is given through a negation, Asarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. What Asarvanamastana Pratyaya? Ajadi. Then Anga will get Ba. When Haladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, Anga will get the Sanya Padam.
Padam.
Here it is Saranamastana Pratyaya. Therefore, it cannot be Padam or it cannot be Ba. Understand? It is just a Pratipadikam. That's all. Then why did I ask this question? I want to know your answer. That's why I asked. It just remains a Pratipadikam only. Nothing happens. Therefore, only you just do Melanam. You don't do anything here. If it is a Padam, what will happen? Chakara will be replaced by Chakara. Does it happen? No. Just Melanam. Jalamuch plus Au. Just do the addition. Jalamuchau. Right? Understand?
Yes.
Then Bhagavacham. Jalamuch plus Us. What Pratyaya is Us?
Again, Sarvanamastana.
Saranamastana. Then what Sanya the Anga enjoys?
Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam. So therefore what will happen? Just do the addition. Addition. Jalamuch plus Us. Jalamuchas. Now it is a
Padam.
Padam. Padante kimasti.
And the Sakara will be.
Sakara will be replaced by Ru.
Ru.
Ru is nothing but Repa. Repa will be replaced by
Visarga.
Karavasana Yoga Visarjaniyaha. You see the sequence 8 to 66, then 8 3 50. So Jalamuch, Jalamuchau, Jalamuchaha, you can decline. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekavachana Pratyaya, is what Pratyaya?
Sarvanamastana.
Therefore Anga will get the Sanya.
Pratipadikam.
Anga doesn't get any new Sanya. It continues to be Pratipadikam only. Just do Melanam. Jalamuch plus Jalamucham. Then Dvivachanam, 2 2 will be content is Au. Pratyaya is
Oh.
Yes. Sarvanamastana.
Saranamastana Pratyaya. Anga is
Pratipadikam.
therefore just do the addition. Jalamuchau, that's all. So all Saranamastana operations done. Now what is left out? Asaranamastana. Now here only you have to be alert. Shas, the content of Shas 2 3 is Us. Therefore Anga gets a Sanya.
Ajadi Asarvanama.
Therefore
Ba.
Basanya.
Vasanya.
That much you know, Basanya. What that Ba will happen, that we will see. Because of Basanya, something should happen. But nothing happens here in this context. You will see some other places, something will be happening. In Tadita, etc. Just here do the addition. Jalamuch plus Us will become Jalamuchas. What is the Jalamuchas?
It's a Padam.
Padam. Suptingantam Padam. Padam. So Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru, then Visarga. How is replaced by Ru? What is the rule? Sa Sajusho Rugu. You have to keep repeating that. Otherwise it will not stay in the mind. What is it? Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru. It's called Rutta Vidhi. What is the rule? Sa Sajusho Rugu. I taught you all these things. If you can remember Sutram, it is nice. With Vritti and all I taught you. And Ru is nothing but Repa, and Repa will be replaced by
Visarga.
Sarga.
by Karavasana Yogo Visarjaniyaha.
Guruji, one doubt.
Yes. I gave Payamicha as homework, but nobody sent in the group as your homework. It means you didn't do that. How do I know otherwise? Whether I gave the homework or not. You should have done some homework. Okay, yes. Ask Rajaji.
Yeah. Guruji, what is the difference between that 1-3 and 2-3? Both the places the content is us. But for one we are applying the one rule and the second one we are applying different.
They're not applying. Both content is same. The Pratyaya content is same. Only thing is, one is Sravanamastana Pratyaya, other one is Asravanamastana Pratyaya. That's all. Because of which the Anga 2-3 gets Basagya. That distinction is not so clear in this Jalamuch Shabda, but in some other place something will happen. Not here.
Okay.
Like Rajan Shabda, if you take. You know Rajan Shabda? Raja, your name. So Rajan Shabda, you must know.
Yes, Guruji.
What is Rajan? How do you decline Rajan Shabda?
Raja.
Like a Karin Shabda.
Not the current, Rajan.
Makara. Raja.
Akaranta. Okay, how do you say? Decline it.
Raja. Rajanav. Rajanam. Rajanam. Ragya.
That's the difference. Raja, you can see that. Raja, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachana. Right? Raja, Rajanav,
Rajanaha.
Rajanaha. Rajanam, Rajanav,
Ragya.
are you the Raja? You can see here. I'm showing a screen, but don't worry about the sutram. So many sutrams are involved in the derivation of Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Raja from Rajan plus Su. Rajan plus Su. You see my file?
Yes, Guruji.
Rajan plus Su is equal to Raja. From that only you get Raja. How many rules are involved? So many rules are involved in the derivation. All the sutras are involved in the derivation of
Raja.
this from Raja to Su. Similarly, here also Jalamucha also. I'm not telling all those things, not required now. Okay, I'll show that another file. This file is not required. Simple one. This involves a lot of sutra that is at this point not required for you. You see this now. Rajan plus Su, you get Raja, right? Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha. Here it is Rajanaha. Rajanam, Rajano, Rajya. Rajaji, do you see here?
Yes, Guruji.
2-3 is what?
Ragni.
And 1-3 is?
Rajana.
The difference is there. Content is same. The difference is seen very clearly because of this Basagya. That's why I said because of Basagya, something happens to Anga which is not evident in Jalamuch, but you will see in some other context, some other Shabda, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So don't worry about it now. It has definitely significance, great significance. Now, okay, that is out of scope again. You don't worry about that. We'll see that later. Nakaranta, for now you have to memorize the Shabda. Don't ask for the rules. Rajan Shabda to be memorized. Karin Shabda to be memorized. Atman Shabda to be memorized. Brahman Shabda to be memorized. All these are important Shabdas. You have to memorize. Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha. I think I taught you once. Rajanam, Rajano, Rajnyaha. Then Rajnya, Rajabhyam, Rajabhihi. Not Raja, Rajnya.
Ragye.
Then Rajye Rajabhyam. Rajabhyaha iti rupam. So you have to memorize them. Whenever you get time, just commit to memory. Okay, now coming back to Jalamuch. Jalamuch plus ta. Content is a. Jalamuch enjoys a sanya. Immediately you have to answer. Ba.
Bha.
Ajadi asranamastane pratyaya pare. Angasya ba sanya bhavati. Therefore, Jalamuch plus a. Jalamucha. Simple addition. Then 3-2. Bhyam. What pratyaya is that? Bhyam.
Haladi.
Haladi.
Haladi asarvanama sthana
Asarvanama.
pratyaya. You have to say it like that. Then only it will stay in register in your mind. Haladi asarvanama sthane pratyaye pare angasya ka sanya.
Padam.
Padasanya bhavati. Without, see, padam is, when you had subtingantam only become padam. But here, before the addition of the pratyaya, because of the very presence of the pratyaya, haladi asarvanamastana pratyaya, pratipadikam enjoys a sanya padam. Therefore, all the pada related rules can be applied. Kuttam, number one, first you have to apply kuttam. Chavarga will be replaced by kavarga. Why? Because chakara at the end of the padam, as well as followed by both are jal letter also. So both conditions are full. Any one condition itself is enough. Chavarga at the end of the padam are followed by jal only, right? Here both are there. Therefore, you can apply. After that, Jashtavidi 8 to 39. Then after that, Jashtavidi number 2, you have to apply. Jhalam Jash Jashi. Even though nothing happens, but still you have to apply because order 8 to 30, 8 to 39, 8 453. Just on number 2. All these things you know, I'm not repeating. Just on what is just on number 2. In fact, this also I have taught in the last class. So you have to recollect.
Yes,
Adding that, you have Jalamukbyam. Once you have Jalamukbyam, Bihi, Bias, and all same only. What is bis? Bis is what pratyaya?
Haladi. Asarvanama.
Haladi.
Therefore,
Asarvanama.
Anga gets a sanya.
Padam.
Padam. Padatvat, Kuttam number 1. You have to apply. Then Jaston. Then Jaston number 2. Then Jalamukbis. What is Jalamukbis? Padam. Again, it's a Padam only. Padanta Sakara. Sasajishoruhu. Replace it by Visarga. Karavasana Yogo. Visarjaniyaha. Is it difficult?
No.
Is it?
No.
Is it simple? 8 to 66, you apply Sajajishoruhu. Then here it is Padanta Repa, Karavasana, Avasana Repa, 8, 3, 15. I'm just writing the number, you can write the rule later. Karavasana Yogo Visarjaniyaha. Then Chaturthi Ekavachanam, Ne, the content is A only. What pratyaya is this?
Ajadi. Ajadi. Asarvanama.
The beginning you can write Ajadi Asranamastana pratyaya for your understanding. When this Ajadi Asranamastane pratyaye pare angasya, that is pratipadikasya, basanya bhavati. When basanya is there, just add. As of now, nothing, you don't have to do anything. Just add. Rajam Shabda and all, Nakaranda Shabda, we will see something will happen. Even Atman Shabda, Atma, Atmano, Atmanaha. Atmanam, Atmano. What is that? Atman Shabda. Anybody knows? In the Panchadashi also we saw just now. Atmanaha Anuvrittihi. Atmanaha Anuvrittam. Anvayaha Atmanaha. That is the word form. Atma, Atmano, Atmanaha. Atmanam, Atmano, Atmanaha. Right? Atmanaha. Form is different. That's why Bhasanya has got significance. Anyway. Then Jalamuch plus Bhyam, same as 3-2. So 3-2, 4-2, 5-2, same. Nothing is special. Then 4-3, Vyas. Vyas is what pratyaya? Haladi. Asarvanamastana pratyaye pare Angasya padasanya bhavati. Padante chavargah asti. Chavargasya sthane kavargadeshah bhavati. Kuttavidina. Anantaram jashtavidhi. Vidhin krutva. Jashtavidhi number 1 and 2. जलमुग्ध्यः इति पदान्तसकारे रुहादेशः रुत्वस्थाने विसर्गादेशः जलमुग्ध्यः इति रूपम्. Similarly, jalamuch plus nasi. Nasi is us. Here also content is us. The content is same as 1323. See, you will see the content being same. 1323 53 as well as 63. That is why in Marut Shabda, Marut, that's very simple Shabda. It's a very simplest Shabda is Marut. I taught you the declension in the very beginning itself. Marut, Marutau, Marutaha, Marutam, Marutau, Marutaha. See, Marutaha, Marutaha only 1323. Maruta, Marudbya, Marudbihi. Marute, Marudbya, Marudbyaha. Marutaha, Marudbya. 5-1 same, Marutaha. 6-1 also Marutaha. Why form is same? Because the content of the pratyaya is same. So you don't see any difference in the form of these shabdas, Marut, Jalamuch. But Rajan Shabda and all you see, because of the Bhasanya, there's a difference. Okay. 1-3 is different from 2-3. 2-3 is Asranamastana Pratyaya, 1-3 is Sranamastana Pratyaya. The 2-3, 5-1, 6-1, all these are Asranamastana Pratyaya. When this Pratyaya follows, Anga gets Bhasanya. Therefore, the Bhav position, you will see a different form. That is why in Rajan Shabda, if you take Dvitiya Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam Rajnyaha. Why? Because Rajan is Bhasanya. Whereas 1-3 is Rajanaha. The Rupam is different. Here, just is Tarunamastana Pratyaya. Here, it is Shas. Content is As. And it is Rajnyaha. So, 2-3 is Rajnyaha. What about 5-3? That is also same, Rajnyaha. Why? Because Nasi, which is Asarvanamastana Pratyaya, Ajadi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya, Anga is Bha, therefore Rajnyaha Rupam. Similarly, 6-3 also you can see, same. So, 2-3, 5-3, 6-3. You will see in the Shabdas, the form being same. Why? Because the Anga enjoys the same Sanya Bhasanya. That's why the form is same. 1-3 is different because Anga doesn't enjoy Bhasanya. Understand? All these are small things you can remember. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, good.
In Marutaha, this, in fact, 1-3, 2-3, all are same because Maruta and Jalamuch. Because it is with simple Shabda. Nakaranta is something different. It has got different rules. Bhasanya has got significance in Nakaranta Shabda, not in Chakaranta, not in Takaranta Shabda. That much you know now. Later you will see. Okay. Then Jalamuch plus Nasi. Content is same. As only same as 1-3, 2-3. But thing is here, Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. Same as 2-3 you can say, but not same as 1-3. You have to note this. So when you ask question, this year, if you remember, then question will not be there. That is, even though the content is same as 1-3, but 1-3 is different. 1-3 is different. This Nasi is different from 1-3, but Nasi is same as 2-3, you can say. 2-3, the 2-3 content only it is, you can compare, it is same, not with 1-3, because 1-3 is Sarvanamastana. And this is Asarvanamastana. Okay. Now, therefore, you cannot compare just by the content. Content may be same, but Sanya is different. 1-3 enjoys Sanya, Sarvanamastana. 2-3, 5-1, 6-1 enjoys Sanya, Asarvanamastana. So the name is different. Okay, that is very important.
Guruji, when to use the content and when to use the pratyaya as it is? Because like for Byam, we are not using the content. So
Byam, we are not using the, what do you mean by Byam, we are not using the content?
no, there we are not removing the packing letter.
There is no packing letter. Where is the packing letter, Byam?
Like
You assumed, The content is Vyam only. There is no packing letter here. Vyam.
Okay.
What is the
Like
packing
this-
letter here?
Like for bis, can we not remove bakara and then say
No,
ikara?
packing letter you will remove as you like. No.
So how
packing-
to? So when to remove and when to not to remove?
That is why I have given the packing. I have given the form here. This you have to. Here, okay. In the beginning itself, I have listed out the pratyaya and removed the packing letter and the content I have given. That you have to remember. The beginning, I wrote here Sarvanamasthana, Asarvanamasthana pratyas, listed out. Haladi Asarvanamasthana pratyaya. If you remove the packing letter B, for example, here, this, then what is it? What does it begin with? Rajaji, answer. This, suppose if Bakara is a packing letter, you remove it. Then what is it beginning with?
E.
E is Ajadi. Then how can I include that in Haladi?
Okay.
That stands negated, right?
Yeah.
It cannot be Aladi then. It has to be Ajadi. I'm including Aladi. Therefore, Bakara is not Ith letter. Simple logic.
Okay. Okay.
So, therefore, here you can see the content, with the content I have given in the beginning itself. Ajadi Asarvanamastana Pratyaha. This is Shas is the Pratyaya, the content is As. Because the content is As, therefore you can infer Shakara is the Ith letter. Similarly, Ta is that content is A. What is the packing letter?
Takara.
Similarly, Nye is there. Content is A. What is the packing letter?
Nakara.
Nakara. Nasi. Content is As. What is the packing letter?
Takara.
Na. Ni.
Nakara, not only Nakara.
E.
Ikara.
E also. Nas is the Pratyaya. Content is As. What is the packing letter here? 6-1.
Nakara.
Sakara. Don't say Sakara is a packing letter. Sakara is important. Why? That alone will become Padanta Sakara. Sakara, Ru is Visarga. Os. Content is Os only. No packing letter here. So there is no rule that packing letter should be there. If it is there, fine. If it is not there, that is also fine. Therefore, you have to know the content, which are content, the content of the pratyas and the packing letters. The packing letters also have got some significance. Again, it's out of scope now.
Guruji, is there any rules to find out the packing letters? Guruji?
Not required now. Leave it. The rules are there, but if I do that, then you have to go to the again Itha Prakranam. That is a different topic.
Okay.
Just to know this, you have to know this. These are the content. That is enough. We'll build up on this later. Okay.
Okay.
We are not seeing the sutra now. Again, we are not the whole sutra pata. We are seeing the Sandhi context. The Sandhi context, I am bringing a Shabda which you can derive by yourself. That's all. Okay. We have to we cannot cross the scope of the discussion. Otherwise, we'll go somewhere. That packing letter and all we will see later. It's a separate topic.
Okay.
Only when we study Sutra, that time we will see exclusively Sutra. Okay. So these are the pratyaya. You have to note. Vyam is Vyam only. There is no packing letter. This pratyaya doesn't have any packing letter. 3-2, 3-3, 4-2, 4-3, 5-2, 5-3, and 7-3 as it is. 7-3 has packing letter. You know what is a packing letter? I have not added here. 7-3 has a packing letter. Pakara. It is Sup. Suaujas, Amaujas. You please see that chart. Finally, what is that? Finally, it is
Sup.
Nye, O, Sup. Sup, Pakara is a packing letter. The Pakara, I removed. Su. This Su is different from 1-1. Where 1-1 Su is
Su.
U is packing letter. That we know. Every time we do that, right? Apratyaya, Kal Pratyaya. Here you can see I have written Su. Okay. Su is content is Sakara. Whereas here Sup is content is Su. Only Pakara is Itha letter. So this you can remember. With this understanding only we are discussing this. So I assume you all know this. Now, Let us continue. Therefore, Jalamukbhyaha, Panchami Ekavachanam, Jalamuchaha. 5-2 is Jalamukbhyam, 5-3 is same. Yes is there, Jalamukbhyaha. Shashti Vibhakti, Nas. Content is us. Therefore, content is us. What pratyaya is this?
अजादि असर्वनामस्थानं
सर्वनामस्थान
Anga enjoys the sanya.
भा
भ
Anything will happen to Chakara at the end of end of this? Nothing happens because it is
nothing
only padam only it will happen. It's not a padam here. Bha. Therefore, just add jalamuchas. Then what is jalamuchas? It is
पदं
padam. Padanta sakara will be replaced by
ru
ru. And ru is nothing but repa. Repa will be replaced by
विसर्ग
विसर्ग
visarga. By what rule?
करवसानयोः विसर्जनीयः
Karavasanayaha visarjaniyaha. 3:15. Then Dvivachanam, Os. Os is a pratyaya and that is the content. No it letters here. What pratyaya is Os is?
अजादि
अजादि
Sarvanamastana pratyaya. And the Pratipadikam enjoys sanya.
भ
Bhasanya.
Just add Jalamuchos. Jalamuchos will be Padanta Sakara. Will be replaced by Jalamucho room. Room. Content of room is repa. Here room is it letter. Content of room is repa and repa will be replaced by sarga. Jalamuchoho. 7-2 also same because os.
Hmm.
And 6-3 arm is what pratyaya?
Ajadi
अजादि अजादि
Therefore,
सर्वनामस्थान
Pratipadikam enjoys sanya.
Bhasanya.
भ
Therefore, just add Jalamucham. Marut Shabda will be Marutam. Right? And next one, 7-1, Ni. Content is after the removal of it letter, Ni, Kara, content is E. Therefore, Ajadi,
असर्वनामस्थान
Asranamastana Pratyaya. Jalamuch, Anga enjoys sanya, Anga or Pratipadikam, anything is all same. Therefore, just add Jalamuchi. Marut Shabda will be Maruti.
पयति
Simple. Marut plus E, Maruti. 7-2 same as 6-2 only. Then Bhagavachanam. Here what happens? Supratyaya. Content is Su. What pratyaya is Su?
सर्वनामस्थानं
Sarvanamasthana.
लादि
Sarvanamasthanava.
असर्वनामस्थान
7-3 we are doing. It is not Sarvanamasthana. Asarvanamastana pratyaya. It is not Sarvanamastana. Is it Sarvanamastana? Su out just out only Sarvanamastana. Okay, this 7-3 is not Sarvanamastana. It is Asarvanamastana. Asarvanamastana.
Okay.
And Haladi Asarvanamastana pratyaya. Therefore, Pratipadikam enjoys a sanya.
पदं
पदं
Okay. You have to remember this 3-2, 3-3. I keep repeating 3-2, 3-3, 4-2, 4-3, 5-2, 5-3, 7-3. Bhyam, Bis, Byas, and Su. Bhyam is in 3 places. Rama Bhyam, Rama Bhyam, Rama Bhyam. 3-2, 4-2, 5-2. Right? And 3-3 is Bihi. Hari Bihi, Guru Bihi, etc. Bihi. Jalam Muk Bihi. Bihi. Then Bhyaha, 4-3, 5-3. Yes, Bhyaha, Rame Bhyaha, Guru Bhyaha, Hari Bhyaha, Jalamuk Bhyaha. And finally 7-3. The 6 pratyayas. Haladi, Asarvanama Sthana pratyaya. This you can remember. Simple. It's not difficult to remember. Easy. When this pratyayas follows, Anga enjoys sanya, padam. That's all. When you remember this, other than this will be Asarvanamastana. Excluding I'm talking about. That in that case, Anga will enjoy this sanya bha. When it is Sarvanamastana, that Pratipadikam is Pratipadikam only. That doesn't have anything happens. It is just a Pratipadikam and the pratyaya, whatever is supposed to happen, it will happen. Okay. So now Supratyaya is Haladi Asarvanamastana pratyaya follows Anga enjoying the Padasanya. Therefore, Pada related Sandhi rules can be applied, like Kuttum, then Jastum. Then after that, what will happen? Jastum is the number 1. The Sakara, Sakara plus U. What Sakara? Pratyay Sakara. And this Sakara is preceded by what letter? What letter? Kavarga. Inko go, remember. Shatvam you have to remember. Shatvam. Adesha Sakara or Pratyay Sakara when preceded by in letter or Kavarga
Replace.
will be replaced by Mudhanya Sakara. Therefore, Sakara will be replaced by Mudhanya Sakara. Then Jalamukshu you have, that is Shatvam. Then this Jal letter, the Kara is Jal letter, followed by Kar letter. Mudhanya Sakara is Kar letter. Therefore, Chatvam will apply. Chatvam number 1. Kari Pare. Jalahastane Char Adeshaha. The Kara will be replaced by Char letter. Therefore, Jalamuk plus Shu. Jalamukshu.
Sure.
Did we see this in the last class?
Yeah, we saw.
Yes, yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Then you must answer Shatvam and all. Shatvam, do you remember? How does it happen? Adesha Sakara or Pratyay Sakara? Here, what Sakara is?
Pratyay
Pratyay
Sakara.
Sakara.
Pratyay
Pratyay
Sakara.
Sakara.
Pratyay Sakara preceded by
Kavarga.
Kavarga. 2 letters.
Sure.
Kavarga.
Cool.
And therefore, it will become Mudhanya Sakara. So you have to apply this in this sequence. 8 to 30, Kuttum, number 1. Then 8 to 39, Jastum will apply. You can see that order. 8, 3, 59, Shatvam. Then finally, Chatvam. You have the form Jalamukshu. Then Sambodhana Pratama. Here 8 1. Jalamuch plus Su. What pratyaya is this? Su. Sarvanama.
Sir,
Sarvanama. Huh? Asranasthanava.
No, Sarvanamastana.
Sarvanamastha.
This Sarvanamastana. Su of just only. Sambodhana also. Same as Pratama.
Sarvanamastana.
Sarvanamastana only. Anyway, that not much significance here. Why? Because Su is content is Sakara, Apratyaya, Kalpratyaya, Tasya Lopaka Bhavati. Right? Therefore, you will have Jalamuch. Jalamuch is what? Padam. Padanta Chakara replaced by Kutta Vidhi. Jalamuch will be replaced by Jasta Vidhi. First is Kuttam, of course, yes. Jalamuch will become by Kuttam Jalamuk. Then you apply Jasta Vidhi. Then Charta Vidhi optional. So you will have 2 forms, Jalamuk or Jala. Same as 1 1. So now there is no difference. Kuttam, Jastam, and Chartam. Vidhi number 2, that optional Chartam. Then what about 8 2? What pratyaya is out?
Again, Sarvanamastana.
Sarvanamastana.
Stranasthana. Therefore, Jalamucha, simple addition, same as 2 2 only. Sorry, same as 1 2. Or 2 2 also you can say nothing. No, okay. And Jalamuch plus us, that is just, what pratyaya is this?
Sarvanamastana.
Stranasthana. Just add Jalamuchaha you have. So therefore, Jalamuch Shabda is this. Did you decline this Shabda? Payamuch, Payamuch? Payamuch, did you try?
No, Ji.
Ji.
One Shabda, if you have to do it, then only you will have a grip on this. Otherwise, the same thing only I will be teaching it.
This week I will try to.
I'll give 3 Shabdas. You can try.
Okay.
Yes,
What is Payamuch?
Cloud.
Loud.
Cloud.
You have to decline this.
Okay.
You have to decline all the forms by yourself. Then only the rules will stay in your mind. Otherwise, no point. Otherwise, this will not stay in the mind. Okay. Okay, then I'll give Shabda. You can take this as homework. I'll give Watch Shabda also. Anyway, Watch also same only. There's no big difference. You see, Watch is Strilinga. So it doesn't matter. Linga only changes, but the declension will be simple. You can take Watch. Vach is speech. This is Strilinga Shabda. Because Strilinga, anything happens, nothing happens. Don't worry about that. Same thing, same form would be. So therefore, you can do that. It's not difficult. So watch you can do. Payomuch also you can try. Putta Vidhi only is applied. All the Shabda you have to do, follow the steps as I taught you. Maybe this Jalam Shabda, I think I sent you Jalam Shabda. Did I send the Jalam Shabda? The format?
No, no, Ji.
I'll send
No.
you. I'll send you, you follow the same.
Okay,
Okay.
Ji.
The same, all the steps, don't leave any steps. In fact, if you want, you can add some Shabda, some lines you can add.
Sarvanamasthana
And
pratyaya.
like that you add. In the beginning, you have to know, you have to do it all those things. Then only you will get grip on that Shabda. This knowledge will be very useful. Later you will see how much it is useful. So Payomuch is one, and
Watch.
Vach, I'm thinking on the few Shabdas. And Chakaranta Shabda is Chakaranta Shabda. Shabda Manjari, let me see Shabda Manjari. Just a minute. I'll give some Shabda from the Shabda Manjari. There's one more Shabda you must do. One minute. Shabda Manjari. Just thinking. Taking it out. Chakarantaha. Vanij also you can do. Okay, but anyway, Vanij is Jakaranta Shabda. But also you can do Vanij. It is also same. Vanij also you can do. Vanij is same only. Vanij just that instead of Chakara, here it is Jakara. That's all. Jakara will be replaced by Chokuku, same thing. Jakara will be replaced by Gakara. That's all. So that Chavarga letter only. Therefore, you can do that also. And Ritvij also you can do. Ritvij, that's also same. Ritvij is the priest.
Strak Shabda also, Guruji.
And Bishaj also you can do. Strak don't do now. Let's see that. These five
Okay.
Shabdas you try. 2 Chakaranta and 3 Jakarantas. Bishaj is Bishaj. We chant this in our prayer. That
Yeah.
Dakshinamurti shloka is that Ishvaro Gururat Neti Murti Veda Vibhagine. Not that one, the other one. What is that Shabda? What is shloka?
Pishaje.
Vishaje Bhavarogina. Vishaje Bhavarogina. That Vishaje, what Vibhakti Vishaje is? Chaturthi.
Chaturthi Vibhakti.
So you can do these 4 Shabdas, you can try 5 Shabdas. 2 Chakaranta and Jakaranta. In fact, any Jakaranta, you would be able to do it. As Chakara is replaced by Kakara, here Jakara will be replaced by Gakara. That is the only difference. Same corresponding letter of Chavarga will come. After that, you have to apply Va Avasane, Chatta Vidhi number 2 optionally. So when you apply Char letter will come. Therefore, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam, for example, Vanik would be either Vanik or Vanik. Simple. Vanik or Vanik. Then Vanijo, Vanijaha, Vanijam, Vanijo, Vanijaha, Vanija, Vanikbhyam, Vanikbihi, Vanije, Vanikbhyam, Vanikbyaha, Vanijaha, Vanikbhyam, Vanikbyaha, Vanijaha, Vanijogo, Vanijam, Vaniji, Vanijogo, Vanikshu, Ikshu. Simple. You can try this 5. Okay. So I will send you Jalamu Shabda. The same way you can try this. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. We stop here. Please do the homework.
Yes, Ji.
Yes,
Yeah, I
Guruji.
will do it.
We will do it.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
Guruji, can you,
ధన్యవాదాలు
ధన్యవాదాలు గురుజీ.
Guruji, can you please share the Word document also?
Yes, whatever I taught you, that I will share that.
Packing that page where you have that where to remove the packing letter.
Yes, yes, I'll send you.
Thank you, Guruji. Dhanyavadah, Guruji.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Dhanyavadah.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు గురుజీ.
Dhanyavadah.